Today, we're going to build a micro Batwing using 9 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
Wait for it. Grab your Travis brick. I know, I'll pause for the shock. All right, now here in our Travis brick, we have the big hole. That's going to be the back of our Batwing. And to do the back of our Batwing, we're going to grab one of these 1x1 round plates with hole in the stud and just put it right there backwards into our Travis brick like that. And now since this is the back of our Batwing, we're going to build the front. And to build the front, we're going to grab this 1x1 tile piece with clip on top and just put it onto that front stud now and have it so that the clips are on the side of our Batwing, and that's going to give the ear effect that most of Batman's vehicles have. And now on the side here, we're going to build the wings. And to build the wings, we just got a regular 1x1 round brick with stud, and then we put it on the side like this. And on top of that, we're going to get another 1x1 stud, but this time it's going to be the one with the hole in the stud, and just put it on like this. And the reason it has that stud with a hole in it is because we're going to use this kind of this curved slope here, and at the bottom of that curved slope you can see there's a little stud there that we're going to attach our stud onto. So you just put that into the hole like this, and here you can kind of see the shape of our Batwing. And now for the other side, you're going to do the exact same build where you just put it onto the wings like this and then put it on again. And here we have a Batwing that Batman can fly through the air of Gotham City. But if you want, the reason I did that hole in the back, the stud with hole, is because you can also get one of these fire pieces, just kind of stick it in the back like this, and now you can have it rocketing through the air, and that just might be a really cool effect if you want to add it, but I don't include it in the build.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.